Hello friends. Today I will show you how to grow snake plant from cuttings at home. It is very easy to propagate. In this video, step by step, I will guide you through the interesting process of propagating snake plant from cuttings. First, we need to collect a healthy, vigorous leaves of snake plant from a good variety, and it should be about 1-2 years old. Using a sharp knife, cut the leaves into pieces about 4 to 5 inches long. A sharp, clean cut minimizes damage to the plant tissue. It has stiff, upright, sword-like leaves that typically grow vertically from a basal rosette. The leaves are often dark green with light gray-green cross-banding, and many popular cultivars have yellow edges. Preferring indirect light, it grows best in low light and the colors are brighter. It can tolerate more light, but it will grow much more slowly and may lose its bright colors. Avoid intense, direct hot sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. The optimal time to take snake plant is during late spring and throughout summer. The warm temperatures of spring and summer are crucial for root growth. Like most plants, the snake plant is producing new leaves, shoots, and roots most actively during the warmer, brighter months. Starting your cuttings during this period takes full advantage of the plant's natural energy to heal and grow roots quickly. Propagation is generally discouraged during the winter because the tree is typically in a state of dormancy. During dormancy, growth hormones and carbohydrates are stored as starch. Now take a pot and fill the pot completely with cocoa peat. Cocoa peat's spongy structure allows it to absorb and hold a massive amount of water, typically 8 to 10 times its own dry weight, reduces the frequency of watering and ensures a consistent moisture supply for plant roots, especially in hot climates or containers. Now plant the leaves one by one. The leaves should be placed 1 to 2 inches deep. The number of snake plant species is quite large and is constantly growing as breeders create new varieties. The historical genus of snake plant was Sansevieria, but it has recently been reassigned to the genus Dracaena. The former genus Sansevieria contains over 70 species, including dozens of popular species grown as houseplants. The most common species is the mother-in-law's tongue, scientifically known as Dracaena trifasciata. Honey is a popular variety. This variety is known for its dense pinkish growth habit. The leaves are small and broad, forming a dense, low, cup-shaped rosette resembling a bird's nest. The standard honey has dark green leaves with light gray-green cross-banding. It is a dwarf variety, rarely growing more than 6 to 8 inches tall. After that, water once a week, or twice if the temperature is high, to maintain humidity. After that, keep them in a shaded place. After 1 month, I'm opened. Look, friends, no buds have yet grown on the leaves I planted. Snake plants are known to be slow growers, so new roots and leaves will take time to establish. Now I will pick up the leaves one by one and see what stage they are at. I can see that my planted leaves have developed enough roots. This is the right time to transfer the leaves to another pot. Since cocoa peat has a high water retention capacity, it can destroy new roots, so we will replant it in river sand. The large, angular spaces between the sand grains allow water to drain very quickly and prevent waterlogging. This rapid drainage ensures superior aeration, meaning the cuttings' bases have access to plenty of oxygen. Oxygen is crucial for respiration and the initiation of new root growth. River sand is naturally low in organic matter and nutrients because it is mostly mineral-based. This low-nutrient, relatively sterile environment encourages the cutting to focus its limited energy reserves on root production rather than immediate vegetative top growth. High organic soil can retain too much moisture and often contains pathogens that cause the cutting to rot. The clean, inert nature of the sand minimizes the risk of infection. Now take a pot and fill it completely with river sand. Now replant the cuttings in the sand one by one. Snake plant is well known for its ability to filter indoor air. Research, including studies by NASA, suggests it can absorb and remove harmful airborne toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, and trichloroethylene. which are commonly found in household products and furniture. Unlike most plants, which only produce oxygen during the day, the snake plant uses a process called crassulation acid metabolism to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen at night. This makes it an excellent choice for bedrooms to help maintain better air quality while you sleep. Water once a week. After that, keep them in a shaded place. After 2 months, if you see branches growing from your planted leaves, you will know that your cutting has been successful. Now I am open it and show you all how many roots it has grown. If your transplanted leaf has developed enough roots, it is ready to be planted separately. Look, friends, how beautiful the roots have grown. When removing the leaf, extreme care must be taken to avoid damaging the new roots, as the new roots are very tender. Perform the separation and potting in the early morning or on a cool, cloudy day to minimize stress from heat and sun. The new plant is essentially a cutting with a small root system and will need special care to harden off and adjust to its new life. If your cuttings were rooted in a high humidity environment like under a plastic dome or in a propagator, they need to be gradually introduced to normal conditions. This process is called hardening off. Start by opening the plastic cover or dome for a few hours each day to reduce the humidity. Increase duration. Over a week or 2, increase the duration of exposure until the young plant is comfortable with the ambient air. This prevents shock to the leaves. After rooting and before full transplant, keep the young plant in a warm spot with bright, indirect light. Avoid intense, direct midday sun right away, as it can scorch the new leaves. Once the cutting has a good root system and shows strong, healthy new growth, it's time to move it or its permanent spot in the ground. Spring or early summer is generally the best time for transplanting to allow the roots to establish before winter. Now, I will separate the branches and plant them in the tubs one by one. You can plant them directly in the ground or in a pot. However, instead of planting directly in the ground, it is better to plant in a pot and transplant it into the ground once it is mature. Water once a week. For the next few weeks, keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid being soggy. New roots are highly sensitive to drying out, but also prone to rot if overwatered.